Hi, welcome to TysConsciousKitchen. Today I'm showing how to make alkaline electric mushroom cheesesteaks. And the items I'm using are currently on Dr. Sebi's nutritional guide, and they are portobello mushrooms, oregano, savory, thyme, onions, onion powder, smoked sea salt, tricolor peppers, my alkaline electric garlic sauce. The recipe will be in the description box below. And I'm going to make some cheese, and I'm going to use Brazil nuts for that recipe. So let's begin. Our first step, we're going to slice the portobello mushrooms. We're going to slice them very thin. Almost like an 1/8 inch thick before we set it in the marinade. Next, we're going to start with the marinade. We're going to take some of the alkaline electric garlic sauce, put it in a mixing bowl. We're going to add some onion powder, smoked sea salt, some thyme, oregano, and savory. I'm going to whisk it a little bit. We're going to toss our mushrooms in the marinade. This is about 3 mushrooms. You use about 3 or 4, depends on the size. We're going to toss it in the marinade. You're going to let it sit for about a half an hour at least, and make sure you toss it halfway through. Then I'm going to cover it and let it refrigerate. Now we're going to prepare the cheese. I'm going to take some soaked Brazil nuts, some hemp seeds, sea salt, basil, oregano, onion powder, some cayenne powder, and spring water. I'm going to use a cup blender because it gets it nice and smooth. Let's take a look at the cheese. It's a perfect texture. If it's too thick, you can always add more water to it. Now we're going to start to saute our vegetables. We're actually outside on our outdoor griddle, cast iron griddle. So let's begin. A little bit of grapeseed oil. We'll add our peppers and our onions. We'll saute them for about 5-10 minutes. Now we're going to add our marinated mushrooms to the griddle. And these should be done in about 10 minutes or so. And then we also have some flatbread that we're going to put on this side to warm them up. This is a nice griddle. There's 6 of us, so it comes in handy when we want to make a lot of food, especially whenever we do like the home fries with the green bananas, or make any like chickpea burgers, mushroom burgers. Comes in handy. After everything is sauteed for about 10 minutes, we're going to mix them together. Let it cook for another 3 to 4 minutes before serving it. Smells great. Now that the mushrooms and the vegetables are done, now we're going to go build the sandwich. And now we're going to build our mushroom cheesesteak. I'm going to take some of my alkaline mayo, put on our flatbread. I'm going to add some of our mushroom cheesesteak mixture. Add a little bit more mushroom to it. We're going to top it off with some Brazil nut cheese. And you can find all these recipes in my Volume 4 cookbook. And there it is, Alkaline Electric Mushroom Cheesesteak Sandwich. It looks delicious. And you know this is going to taste delicious. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.